Welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Ronnie. Today I'm going to take you about the common Excel errors. So the first common Excel error is called hash error. It comes as a result of small size of the cell. I can correct it by increasing the size of the cell. So it is corrected right over there. Alright, I can also instead of using sum to add, maybe I use equals, then add. I want to add from here up to here, then I say shift close, then I press enter. So I end up with the error called hash namex. So I cannot use add to add these values, so I must use sum. So if I want to correct it, I come here, then I say equals, then I say sum. I want to add from here up to here, so I press enter. Alright, then I come and spill it downward, so it's corrected right over there. So let me take you about the third error we have in Excel. Suppose I want to subtract this value, say equals B2 minus C2, then I press enter. So I see it right over there. Let me spill it downward. Right over there, I see it. Yeah, but what if I have a word here that missing? This word here, missing. If I have that word there, I end up with hash value error, because I can't subtract figures and numbers. So I can correct this error by coming to my formula bar, then I put sum, open bracket, automatically I have to close this bracket, then I press enter. So if I press enter, I come here, then I spill downward. So you see it corrected already right over there. So let me take you through the fourth error we have in Excel. Suppose I want to subtract, I say equals B2 minus C2. I want to subtract this right over there, then I press enter. So I come here, then I spill this down, auto spill. So if I come here, then I right click, then I say delete, I end up with hash ref error. So what if I want to copy this, say copy, then I come here, then I paste it there. I also end up with hash ref error. Another common error we have in Excel, if I want to subtract this, says equals B2 minus C2 divided by C2 minus C2 sorry, if I want to divide this B2 divided by C2 minus 1, then I press enter. So I come here, then I auto spill downward. I'm going to end up with hash div error. Alright, how can I correct this error? I use the if error handling function, which says if I go to my formula bar, then I correct it, if error. So after that, then I have to come here, then I put a comma. After putting a comma, then I put full quotation, then I close. After closing it, I press enter. After pressing enter, then I auto spill this downward. So my error is corrected already right over there. So if I come to this space, then I give it any value, then I press enter, you see it appearing there. Even if I give also this one any value, press enter, it's appearing there. That error is already corrected. So the last error we are going to learn today is when hashpill error. So I come here, then I say equals, I use a unique function. So I want to use this one up to down here, I highlight it, then I close, then I press enter. So I will end up with the error which says hashpill. So if I want to correct this, I come here, then I delete this. So my values become spilled downward there. Alright, that was all about Excel errors. Don't forget to like, subscribe and follow my YouTube channel. Bye bye for now.